Hey folks, Josh Hedstrom here. Just want to give you an update for the belated update for the week 5 of the coding bootcamp. I'm currently in at the University of Minnesota, and yeah, it was a pretty good week. So it was intense. I feel like we've plateaued a little bit in the learning curve, I guess, momentarily, just for like this week. But on Monday we built a calculator using jQuery, and that was pretty intense. That really stretched my mind quite a bit. Learning how to do the actual calculate function. The hard part wasn't like getting the buttons to work, or getting the calculations to work. The hard part, or at least the part that took quite a bit of, thinking, was getting the numbers to separate. So, whatever numbers you type in go towards the first number until you hit an operator, and then every number you type in goes to the second number. And getting that to work was a little bit complicated. It took a lot of brain power. I was working in a group of 4, and we struggled with that for a while. But eventually we figured it out. And so that was pretty good. And then the Wednesday class was really good. We did kind of like review, I guess, just kind of like open questions about JavaScript, jQuery, and really anything, but it was mainly JavaScript and jQuery. And yeah, it was just really good. And then we had some time afterwards, and we broke up into coding groups to work on different projects. We could pick the project, so if we want to go back and work on the calculator, I chose to work on the homework. The homework was like an RPG Star Wars game. And I say game, it wasn't actually that exciting. It was super hard for me to code. I think for everyone, we all really struggled with it. Like it was pretty tough. You get 4 characters, and then you pick one character to be your own, and then you fight the other characters, and having all of the health and attack and everything. It was really complicated. It took a lot of work. I think it turned out alright. I actually switched mine to Lego Lord of the Rings because I like that better than Star Wars. But I'll post a link in the video or in the description, and let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any problems. But yeah, and then Saturday was a little bit more review, and then we started to get into time functions with JavaScript, which is really good because this upcoming homework project is doing time trivia. Yeah, which I don't think it's gonna be as hard as the RPG game, but it's not gonna be easy. Like, I've started it a little bit, and I've already kind of hit some mental blocks, some barriers that I'm working through. But yeah, other than that, it's been a pretty good week. I think this week, week 6 is we're starting some more new topics. So week 5, it was nice to kind of level out a little bit and just kind of stay with JavaScript and jQuery. For a while there, it felt like we were learning a new concept every week, and it was getting a little bit, like you're getting sprayed to the fire hose. But yeah, it's going really good, and I'm still really enjoying it. We started to talk a little bit about what it's like to be in a coding interview, which is, mildly terrifying at first. But yeah, if you have any questions, make sure and post them in the comments. I will do my best to answer them. And otherwise, subscribe to stay updated. Cheers.